Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is RAFTHELSA Vlogs. Guys, this is my gift wrapping. I will show you how I wrap my gift. This is a gift set of 4 pieces of small bottles of wine in a basket. This is inside in a basket. The 4 bottles of wine is wrapped with a plastic wrapping paper inside, and there is a small wine glass inside, and I wrap this one with this Christmas wrapping paper. Look at this. So this is how I wrap my basket of wine, and look at this. And I wrap here. I tie around 2 types of ribbon, the silver and the mint green, because it matches the color or the print of the wrapping paper. You can see this is mint green and my ribbon is mint green. So in order to have eye-catching decoration, I also tie around here with a silver ribbon, and I attach here with a glittered star, and also here, so that makes presentable. This gift wrapping is for intended for exchanging gift. That is why I wrap it like this, and on the top I shape it like a pointed one, like a leaves type. And this is a Christmas decoration, red. And here I put a tag. I cut out a small envelope and I punch here, and I put a ribbon, and there is Merry Christmas print for this ribbon, Merry Christmas, so that I can write the name of the sender and the numbers, because this is for exchanging gifts. So only numbers we're going to put here, since it's already Christmas time and this is intended for the Christmas exchanging gift today, because there is an exchanging gift for all the stuff in the Swiss. So anyone who can receive this gift is lucky, because inside here it's a basket with 4 pieces of different wines, a small bottle of wine, which include 2 small wine glass. So guys, I hope you like this gift wrapping style. So this is just a recycled ribbon and a decoration and a very simple Christmas wrapper. So I hope you like this type of gift wrapping or the style. So just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. Thank you for watching, and to all my viewers and subscribers, thank you for watching and supporting RAFTHELSA Vlogs. Keep safe, God bless everyone, and advance Merry Christmas and a happy, prosperous New Year. God bless, bye-bye. So if you have any old wrapping paper or old gift wrapper and ribbon, you can recycle and you can create your own Christmas gift like this.